So this is the most obvious leak information drop you're probably ever gonna hear. Let's be honest. The Apple foldable iPhone is gonna be coming out next year with the OnePlus Open 2, with the Z Fold 8, with the 11 Pro Fold from Google. It's gonna look very similar to the OnePlus Open 2. Is that not the craziest leak you've ever heard in your life? Apple is going to copy what's working. Like every other company when they've come out with a phone. Google with their Pixel series, Pixel Fold series, very similar looking to the OnePlus Open. OnePlus Open 1. Same concept with a lot of other companies who've copied Samsung over the years. And now I think a lot of companies are copying Oppo/OnePlus. So, yeah, no, this is very, very not surprising in the slightest. This will probably be the truth here. Now, of course, in the end, there's also other rumors and speculations. It's going to have a 12-inch inside display. It's going to have everything you can think of. And listen, it's going to be a first-gen product. It will be. It will be a first-gen product. And as always, first-gen products, they're not destined to fail, but they have so many things that are factors against them that they really can't control, that they're not going to fail, but they're going to have setbacks and problems. So the foldable iPhone is not going to be as great as people are thinking it's going to be. It's not going to be bad. It's just not going to be to the level that people are expecting, right? And it's an Apple product. Everyone's going to have their expectations through the roof. But for the most part, it's going to be a mess. It's going to be, I'm telling you right now, I feel like the software is going to work because Apple's Apple, right? It's going to be running on iOS. That's going to work out perfectly fine. They'll probably pin this with like an M5 chip, I would guess, in the end. My problem and why I say it would be a mess is two things. Price tag. Price tag is going to be a mess. We're expecting this thing. If it's a foldable iPhone, ballpark range $3,000. It's a flippable iPhone, $1,800 to $2,000. And it's a first gen product, so that inside display being foldable is going to have problems. It's going to be a mess. I would not recommend getting the foldable iPhone or flippable iPhone when it first comes out. I recommend waiting a year and getting the second gen version. Or Apple just gives up on it and that's that. I don't know. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one.